Dreaming of a high-paying career as a pilot or flight attendant? Meet Royal Concord aviation experts on 8 June at M Crown Hotel Shillong from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book your slot now and call 720-479-8777.
Haka jingrakhi yak World Environment Day mentausnam yak baka sarkar jala kala penlong ha ummir New Shillong Township haka santare gujaliu araja arpusan kala dan ka program jingtung ding lane ka avenue plantation of ornamental trees hadu 1000 tali kiten riding harot surak kathan New Shillong Township. Haka ni kasngi na kalyang umentri rangba ka jalaw Conrad ke sangma ulapli perdaru yaw mau bam smai ubadan ya ka jingthok bantung 10,000 tali kiten riding harut surok ka New Shillong Township nangta ka jingpelat pajba ya ka mission Clean Shillong 2027 batka building a climate resilient green economy. Nalor kene kaladan ru ka jingsam kusnam ya kislam puli kisnong bat kinong yo jingmantoy na ka payment for ecosystem services PES nalor kiway de. Haba ajing kran ukonrat kisang ma ulaong. Bahaki lain ni South Nambaladam ke sarkar kala ajing ya da kombas 10,000 hektar ki cloud hapo ka jelabat menta lingba ka Meghalaya program ke Green Plus ke sarkar kan ajing ya da sesilak hektar ki jaka cloud. Ulaong ru bau sngolengo sikat day bakari Japan wat lada kambu iki dustbin haki jaka paj baru ka longpat kari ka belek hutam bat kumta u Kyntu iki paj ba bakindon ka jinglong kum kinong Japan ban Sumar khot ye ka Mariang wala ki dustbin kimdon ru.
Well, it's my privilege and honor to inform you all that the chief guest for the unveiling of the plaque, Shri Conrad Kesama, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, sorry. As part of the unveiling of the plaque on the occasion of World Environment Day 2025, organized by Urban Affairs Department with Soil and Water Conservation Department, Government of Meghalaya, also in the presence of Deputy Chief Minister of
have just spoken about that. No, I mean wildlife planted this, no? Can you just
as part of this entire program, we plant thousands of them along this roads. But what I wanted to share with you was that we have now started using the biodegradable bags. So these bags are no longer plastic. So as soon as we plant them, and once in about 3 months' time, this is about 90 days, the bags will automatically decompose. So this is a very important step towards the entire plantation aspect. And I must congratulate the Soil Conservation, Forest and other departments for taking this very, very important step.
Thank you. And I'm very happy that in the last 3 to 4 years, with a very, very strong team of officials, we were able to preserve, conserve and protect over 50,000 hectares of existing forests, which means we motivated and convinced villagers, some of them who you saw just now, to not deplete the forest, to not cut the trees, to not use the forest resources, but to protect it. And we partnered with the community, we supported them, and we managed to successfully protect 52,000+ hectares. And now our target under the Green Plus Meghalaya program is to protect 1 lakh hectares. So efforts are on. We are doing as much as is possible because we have this resource constraints, we have challenges, but we are working very, very dedicatedly in order for us to be able to protect the forests that we have and enhance the forest cover as far as possible. But as mentioned by all the people who have spoken before me, this is not just a government program. It's not just a government task. We all have to work together. When we were in Japan, there's something very strange I noticed. And if you go to Japan, you will also notice it. There are hardly any dustbins in Japan. There are no dustbins in public space. Very, very rarely will you find it, maybe in the toilet, or maybe in some very, very important place, in a restaurant or something. But on the streets, in most important tourist locations, you search and search and search and you will not find a dustbin. And you know what? In spite of dustbin not being there, Japan may be one of the most cleanest places in the world. And you know why it's so? The reason is they believe in carrying their own garbage. So their mantra is carry your garbage. If you have a plastic or some kind of trash you want to throw, no need to look for a dustbin. Put it in your bag, put it in your pocket, and when you get back home, you put it in the dustbin so that it can be then recycled and sent to the right place that it's meant to be. In Japan, if you go, you find that their toilets are perhaps one of the most cleanest I've ever seen in any part of the world. And the reason is because, number one, of course, they maintain things. Number two, each one takes responsibility to ensure that they keep not just the toilet, but everything around them clean. It's part of their culture. It's part of what they believe. It's part of their ethos. And friends, the reason I'm mentioning so much of Japan to you is because it's true, and we must learn as a society from these important things. Can I put this across to every citizen of our state? That from now on, I'm not going to let my garbage be thrown in different parts of the city or the state. I will refrain from throwing the garbage. I will carry my own garbage and I will put it in a designated place in my house or wherever the trash can in my house, or a place where it will be then sent to the correct place to be recycled or to be disposed of.
Gentlemen, a round of applause for Thomas Jones School, Blue Parade. 5,000 rupees along with a citation. Joria Higher Secondary School, Bonfire Road. Ladies and gentlemen, on stage, be four prize winners for St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Jaya Synod Higher Secondary School Mission Compound, the colleges and higher education college, Pine Wall. In the same category, four prize winners. Efficient management of plastic and construction waste, road cleaning, Jaya Limshap, but local land. Third prize winners, Cleve Colony, Kyrwoh Economic Man, Riyad Samthia, Dunia Thapsi Lamata Borok Nigdom, the school, the college of Kyrwoh, Ibrahim Tapala.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin, bat ka ayan la aikan diat, bat ka batau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam, ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.